Yo, what's up, guys? So, yeah, today I just got back home from the gym. I got home at about 6:45, or no, I got home at like 7. Oh yeah, I've been working kind of late recently. But yeah, I kind of wanted to do some more videos and stuff. A lot of dirty dishes because my roommate's been gone, so he's not here to judge me. So, yeah, I'll have to do this by tomorrow since he's coming home. Yeah, so I was about to get dinner and then I realized I didn't have any bread, so I'm gonna go grocery shopping and get some food so I can cook dinner today. Yeah, so this is my outfit of the day. You guys like it? Yeah, super fashionable. How am I single? It just doesn't make sense, you know? Yeah, I just got out of the shower, so hair's a bit of a mess. My hair's crazy today. So today we're gonna make the long trek safely, which is across the street. And yeah, we've arrived. It's been a while since I last saw you. We are now at the grocery store. It's crazy, man. I don't want to talk in public because people think I'm weird. Dude, these donuts look delicious. What should I get? Oh, these are so good. They're so expensive. It's a no from me. Two for $5. Or 2 for $4. Hell yeah, dude. 2 for $4. Look at that. 11.2 cents an ounce versus 20. It's like half the price. Don't even get me started on these. It's 36 cents an ounce. Time to check out.
If you have your club card, please scan it now. $2.29. If you have your club card, please scan it now. Your card has been accepted. How many your total is 2. Please select your payment method. Please wait. System processing. Follow the instructions on the PIN pad.
It smells delicious. I don't know, I just feel like I look older now. I don't know why. Maybe it's the stress. Maybe. Alright, time to cook some dinner. Alright, let's go. Alright, let me take off my jacket. Some chicken. It says sell by the 13th. I think today's the 14th, but that's fine. I don't have a pan, so we'll use a pot. It's basically the same thing. Just drop it in there. Alright, we're good. Alright, dinner's cooked. Other stuff in there. Get some salt in there. Get some pepper in there too. Now we're gonna flip it, and get the other side. How am I gonna record this in... Okay, I'll try to hold this in my mouth. Okay. So we're gonna season the other side. Okay. Go for pepper. Alright. Good job. Alright. So that's now we seasoned our food. Just kind of just like spin. Oh my. And yeah, we just need it to cook, so we. Oh, shit. Okay, there we go. Just let it simmer. Yeah, so that's how I usually cook my dinner. I usually just sit here and wait. So yeah, I usually just eat a thing of chicken. Or actually, no, I don't usually use bread. I usually eat rice, but as of this week, I started eating bread because the rice was getting really old since I've been eating rice for like 21 years. So I started eating bread, and then I made garlic butter. So I'll put the garlic butter with my bread. and it tastes delicious. This is my fridge. Oh shit, it broke. I think it came like that. That's okay. We got some orange juice. I got some pickles. I really like pickles. Pickles there. Got more pickles here. Got some eggs. Nothing else is really interesting. Got some grapes. Are these my grapes? Whatever. And then we have some garlic sauce. Nothing really interesting. In the freezer, we just have like a bunch of waffles, and then some veggies. Oh, my meatballs. What else do we have? Tuna? I have tuna and chocolate. That's all I have. Alright, we need to flip it.
Oh, okay, good job.
Okay, let's do our laundry. I use Tide and not Tide Pods because I'm an adult. There's my laundry. Alright guys, my chicken is cooked, as you can see. And I've warmed up my bread. Okay, let's get a plate, and this is my dinner on an average day. Thanks for watching.